Okay, hot topic. Pag-usapan natin ang pagseselos. Hindi lang to para sa mga magjowa, pati mga DJ nagsiselos din sa isa't isa, di ba? Sabihin natin merong isang bar, may isang pwesto na gustong-gusto mong mapasukan, gusto mo ikaw yung resident, tapos nabalitaan mo na may ibang DJ na kumuha, tapos kakilala mo yung DJ na yun. Medyo makakaramdam ka ng selos, di ba? Or sabihin natin may event, tapos naghahanap yung organizer ng mga tutugtog para sa event, hindi ka napili. Ibang DJ napili, tapos kakilala mo rin yung DJ na yun. Makakaramdam ka rin ng selos. Siguro. Una sa lahat, these feelings are normal. It's okay to feel them. Yes, pangit siya na pakiramdam. Hindi masayang makaramdam ng pagsiselos sa kapwa DJ, pero nangyayari siya. So, how can you get over this feeling? Baka meron kang tips or suggestions that you want to share. If you have any, go and type them in the comments. Pero ako, I'll share my tip. Pag nararamdaman ko yan, and yes, nararamdaman ko pa rin yan from time to time, kahit na matagal na ako nag-DJ, tsaka medyo may edad na ako, there are two things that I always do. First, I always try to think about the situation of the other person or the other DJ. Siyempre, siya, katulad ko, may mga pangangailangan din, meron din siyang career na gusto niyang palakihin. So, why should they not be able to have that chance to do that, diba? Kasi more often than not, yung opportunity na yun, hindi lang naman yun yung last opportunity na makukuha natin eh. Makakuha pa tayo ng other opportunities to perform or to get gigs or to get residencies. Now, the second thing that I do, and this is gonna be a little bit harder, is I try to be genuinely happy for that other DJ. Yes, it's difficult, lalo na kung nakakaramdam pa rin tayo ng konting selos, di ba? Pero at the same time, kapwa DJ natin yan eh. We're all in this industry, which is something that is very difficult to make a living in. Kaya kapag meron tayong mga kapwa DJ na nakaka-asenso, we should be happy for them because that means there's an opportunity for us also to have that kind of show or that kind of performance or that kind of event later down the line. Magkakaroon din tayo ng sarili nating pagkakataon na umangat at umasenso ng ganon. We just have to be kind to ourselves and kind to our fellow DJs also. Kasi yun na, we're all in this together. I know it sounds cheesy, pero totoo yun eh. And in my personal opinion, walang mabuting naidulot yung mga pagsiselos na yan pagdating sa mga gigs.